Hey guys, this is Parker from the Cham Boys, and today we're making the world's best mac and cheese. Best. These are the ingredients we're gonna need today. Large elbow macaroni, mild cheddar, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, and sour cream. Then grate 16 ounces of cheese, and that's about half the block. Then pour 2 cups of macaroni into a measuring cup. Then you pour it into a pot. Next, take the cap off the chicken broth. Then pour 1 cup of chicken broth. Then pour maybe half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Ooh, satisfying. After that, pour the heavy whipping cream chicken broth into the macaroni. Stop it, Wesley! Then add the sour cream. Sour cream. Then turn the stove on. I know, you're saying like, oh, you didn't add the cheese yet. It's not mac and cheese. It'll come soon.
Okay, that's it.
After 5 minutes, it should look like this. Taste test, make sure it's cooked. Then pour the cheese, and then mix it. Stir it to the point when it looks like mustard and mac. So, the only thing left to do is eat.